Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the device over and remove two 8mm screws, two 5mm screws, and unscrew the two captive screws. Gently insert the opener pick between the bottom cover and the palm rest and slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Peel back the tape and unplug the battery from the motherboard. Remove four 4mm screws from the battery. Replace the battery, and replace the four 4mm screws. Plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the bottom cover and push down to snap it back into place. Replace the two 8mm screws, the two 5mm screws, and tighten the two captive screws.